Alright then guys, I'm out in the Sheffield countryside again. I've come out to Rivelin Valley. I think there's a little mill up there, so I'm going to go up there and have a look, see what's what. There's some water behind me as well. It's a bit too windy to fly the drone today, but it is nice and sunny, as you can see from the sun shining on my face. So hopefully I'll have some decent footage for you, it says. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That would be absolutely awesome if you do that for me. And if you liked it, please leave a like and also share the video if you would as well. That would be absolutely awesome. Alright then guys, so I shall see you on the next one. Hope you enjoy it. Bye. Then guys, I'm back in the car. It wasn't a longer path as well. I thought it was, as you've seen, and there was no mill at the end of it, even though there's a photograph at the beginning of the video that says well, but never mind. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. It was just a little walk round. Took a few pictures as you've seen. Bit of video, hyperlapse and whatnot, just trying out the active track on the hyperlapse and normal mode as well with active track, which is absolutely awesome. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed that, and don't forget, like I said before, subscribe if you're new, and also like and share it if that would be possible. That would be absolutely awesome, and I shall see you in the next one. See you later guys, bye.